Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, now we see values of trigonometric ratios. So today we are going to learn 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and then 90 degrees of all the 6 trigonometric ratios. So first one is sin theta. Before writing the sin theta, I would like to tell you a small trick to remember these values. See, it's very easy. First you write 0. Which number?
0.
Next 1. Next 2. Next 3. Then 4. Right. Now what we need to do? Every number means 0 to 4. Each number you divide with again 4. Means here 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, like this. Is it clear? After this what we need to do? If is there any cancellation, let us do cancel. 0 by any number is 0. So here let us write this value as 0. Clear? Here there is no cancellation. This is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is 1 by 2. Here there is no cancellation. Here 4 4 both will get cancelled. You will get here 1. Is till here any doubt? No doubt. Now last one is that apply square roots. Apply square roots. Here you see this is root 0. It is root 1 by root 4. Same way here root 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by root 4. This is root 1. Now what answers you get as final answers, you can write them as sin theta values. See here I am starting. Here this is sin theta. Here theta means 0 degrees. Root 0 value is 0. That's why sin 0 degrees is 0. Is it clear to all? Now here root 1 is 1, whereas root 4 is 2. So here let us take all the positive values. So it is 1 by 2. Root 1 is 1, say loudly, and root 2 is root 2 only. So it is 1 by root 2. Clear? Root 3 is root 3, whereas root 4 is 2. So it is root 3 by 2. Root 1 is 1. Now here let us say sin values clearly now. What is sin 0 degrees? 0. Sin 30 degrees? Sin 45 degrees? Sin 60 degrees? Sin 90 degrees? Now let us write cos theta, cos values. It's very easy. Very easy. Let us write these values from here. This is left side, this is right side. From right side to left side. And left side values to be written as right side. That means here, this ending, which value is there? 1. That will be coming as starting value here. Clear? Here, second position, what is there? Root 3 by 2. That will come, root 3 by 2 will come here, second position. Root 3 by 2. Let us write this 1 by root 2 as it is the middle term or middle value. Here what number comes?
1 by 2.
This 1 by 2 comes there. Same way here what will come?
0.
This 0 will be coming here. Now you tell me, what is cos 0 degrees?
1.
Cos 30 degrees?
Root 3 by 2.
Cos 45 degrees?
1 by root 2.
Cos 60 degrees?
1 by 2.
Cos 90 degrees?
0.
Now let us write tan theta values. Tan. So here, for writing tan theta, the simple way is that sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Here what is the value of sin? 0. Sin 0 is 0. By cos 0? 1. What is sin 0 means 0 by 1 value. What is the value of 0 by 1? 0 by 1 is 0. So it is 0 by 1. That's why tan 0 is 0 only. Similarly, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 cancel 2 and 2.
1 by 1.
It is 1 by root 3. Is it clear to all? Here you see 1 by root 2 completely cancel with 1 by root 2. Here you will get 1. Here you cancel 2 and 2. Root 3 by 1 can be written as root 3. 1 by 0, any number by 0 can be written as not defined. Is it clear to all? Now let us write next trigonometric ratio, that is what? Cosecant theta. Let us write next one, cosecant. Theta means these values. So cosecant. Cosecant is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta only cosecant theta. Reciprocal means it is 0 means 0 by 1. Let us make it reciprocal. It is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. So it is not defined. Cosecant 0 degrees is not defined. Now here cosecant 30 reciprocal of sin 30. 1 by 2 make it reciprocal. 2 by 1. We can write it as 2. Now 1 by root 2 make it reciprocal.
Root 2 by 1.
Root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. Same way. Root 3 by 2 make it reciprocal.
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Now here 1 make it reciprocal. 1 only. 1 by 1 is 1.
2
So here 2 by root 3 it is. Okay, thank you. This is 2 by root 3. Now cosecant theta over. Now we are going to write secant theta. Secant theta. Theta means these numbers will come. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Right. Now cos 0 is 1. Let us make it reciprocal. 1 by 1 is. That's why secant 0 is also 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal it.
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Same way. Here 1 by root 2 reciprocal it.
Root 2 by
Root 2 by 1 means root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal.
2 by 1.
2 by 1 means 2. For 0 reciprocal. 0 by 1 means 1 by 0 will come. What is 1 by 0?
Not defined.
So it is not defined. If you observe carefully here, see, when we write cos theta, we have written this last value as the first value. Here this one is here, root 3 by 2 here, 1 by root 2 is same, 1 by 2 here and 0 is there. Same way cosecant secant also. Here what is there first? This is at the end. And here second value. From that side it is 2. Root 2 again same. 2 by root 3 came this side. 1 also came this side. Is it clear? Now sixth one, that is last one, that is cot theta. Cot theta means these values will come. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. If you know the tan values, you can reciprocal. You can do reciprocal of those values. For 0, the reciprocal is 0 by 1. Make it reverse.
Not defined.
Not defined.
Not defined. 1 by 0 it is not defined. So let us write here not defined. Now what is tan 30?
1 by root.
Make it reciprocal. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. Here tan 45.
1.
Make it reciprocal. 1 only. 1 by 1 is 1. Here what is tan 60? Reciprocal it. 1 by root 3. Here you observe. What is tan 90?
Not defined.
What is cot 90? 1 by not defined is what? Simple it is. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by not defined is 0. Because 1 by 0 is not defined. Let us make it reverse. 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Is it clear? So here this is what you can learn all the 30 values. How can we say 30 values? You count once, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Those are 5. Like that we have 6 trigonometric ratios. So 6 into 5 is 30. So in this way we can remember the table of having all the 30 values easily. Here these indicate angles and these indicate ratios. Is it clear? Now here let us recall these values once again. Sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 45 degrees, sine 60 degrees, sine 90 degrees. Now sine theta over. Now cos theta. Cos 0 degrees, cos 30 degrees, cos 45 degrees, cos 60 degrees, cos 90 degrees. Now tan 0 degrees, tan 30 degrees, tan 45 degrees, tan 60 degrees, tan 90 degrees. Now cosecant 0 degrees, cosecant 30 degrees, cosecant 45 degrees, cosecant 60 degrees, cosecant 90 degrees, secant 0 degrees, secant 30 degrees, secant 45 degrees, secant 60 degrees, secant 90 degrees, cosecant 0, cot 0 degrees, cot 30 degrees, cot 45 degrees, cot 60 degrees and cot 90 degrees. Is it clear to all? Any doubt? If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.